Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best purifiers on the market, the Austin Healthmate series. If you're looking to improve your indoor air quality, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The Austin Healthmate series is renowned for its exceptional air purification capabilities. Designed to tackle a wide range of pollutants including dust, pollen, pet dander, and even odors, it's a powerhouse in creating cleaner, healthier air environments. The Healthmate series utilizes a multi-stage filtration system, including a true HEPA filter and activated carbon filter. This combination effectively captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air you breathe is virtually free of allergens and harmful substances. With its robust design, the Healthmate is capable of covering large spaces up to, insert coverage area, square feet. Whether it's a living room, office space, or bedroom, it provides consistent and efficient air purification. Unlike many other purifiers, the Austin Healthmate operates quietly, making it ideal for use even in bedrooms or offices where silence is essential. The Austin Healthmate series comes in several models like the Healthmate Standard, Healthmate Plus, and Healthmate Junior, catering to different room sizes and specific needs. Each model maintains the same high standard of filtration and performance. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best air purifier that combines robust filtration, efficiency, and durability, the Austin Healthmate series is definitely worth considering. It's an investment in your health and well-being, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.